Hi, to enable accessibility shortcut for your iPhone 13, we will need to open settings first and here go in the accessibility tab. After that, scroll to the end and you will see this section accessibility shortcut. So here we can select a feature which will be enabled when we'll triple click the side button right here on the right side of the phone. For example, firstly let's select assistive touch and triple click the button. And now you can see this button, which is floating button, appears on the screen. We can tap it, trigger notification center, go to the home page, go open the control center, go in the device, volume up, volume down, lock screen, and so on. Now if we triple click this button once more, it will disappear, just like that. We can also tap this feature to disable at all and switch to another one, for example, color filters. Just tap it, triple click the button, and now you can see that everything now is black and white. So let's triple click it again to disable, and now we can remove the check mark. Also, we can select not one feature but more. For example, put a check mark on assistive touch, classic invert, background sounds, something like that. Now let's triple click the side button. And now we can see this menu from which we can choose which feature we want to trigger. And now everything is in classic invert, so we can just triple click again to disable and here remove the check mark. So also you can reorder this feature if you just hold these three lines and drag any feature just above others like that. And that is how it works. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.